Hi, my name is Eric Perot and I'm a trademark attorney with Gerben Law Firm. Today I wanted to provide some tips for brewers and breweries on how to protect the names of their craft beer products. The craft beer industry has grown exponentially in the past 10 years and continues to grow every day with new products and a variety of different names of beers. And it also has become a highly litigious area as everyone tries to kind of carve out their specific area and their specific names within the beer industry. And that is leading to a lot of disputes and a lot of confusion, especially when there are so many different types of breweries and different lines starting every day. One of the things that you can do as a brewery is to develop names that are unlike anything else you've seen before. And that can be difficult because that is difficult to market and consumers wouldn't have a connection with that already. Whereas if you're using the word hop in the name of the title, then people will know to expect a hoppy beer. But unfortunately, that means that you are then competing with all the other people who are trying to make puns and make play on words using the word hop, which can be extremely difficult. So if you do select a name and you're concerned that it might be infringing, then it's important to do a search to try to minimize that risk as much as possible. There's no way you're going to ever remove every risk. You're going to still have some risk moving forward because there's always going to be someone who might think that their beer name is too similar to yours or another one out there, and those are the source of a lot of trademark disputes. But if you do select a name that you're reasonably sure is not being used in the marketplace, that can go a long way for you to create your own protectable brand. And the way that you do that is you do a search in the marketplace and on the patent and trademark database for anything that's similar in sight, sound, or just general commercial impression for related goods and services. And this is often what gets craft beer breweries and brewers in trouble because they look only at beer. But there is case law that says that wine and hard alcohol and breweries, wineries, distilleries, that those are related and that consumers are likely to be confused if they see the name of a wine and the name of a beer that have the same name. Whether the realities of the marketplace support that in every situation is open for debate, but as far as registering the trademark with the Patent and Trademark Office, this is something we frequently see, is this kind of general comparison to all types of alcohol, even if you're only operating in the beer industry. So when you're looking at it, make sure that you're looking at it from this general perspective. And if it is available, then registering it with the Patent and Trademark Office will give you certain advantages over anyone else who's claiming rights to that phrase. And if you were the first one to use it, you'd be in a good position to ask others to choose a different name that's not confusingly similar to your trademark. There are a lot of different ways and different considerations when protecting your beer trademarks. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me or any of the attorneys at Gerben Law Firm a call, and we'd be happy to discuss your beer trademarks.